Hi, my name is Abhinav Lohia. I'm the Managing Director of Global Business Development at Golden Gate Global, a leading EB5 investment firm headquartered in San Francisco, California, with offices in Chicago, New York, and Miami. In today's video, I will be shedding light on EB5 visa. The EB5 visa program was established by the US Congress in 1990 with an aim to stimulate the US economy by attracting foreign direct investment. The program is administered by United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS. Every year, 10,000 immigrant visas are allocated to the EB5 visa program for the benefit of investors and their immediate family members. What is an EB5 visa? EB5 visa is a direct path to US green card, followed by US citizenship. It grants US permanent residence to foreign nationals in return of making an investment in qualified projects and creating at least 10 American jobs per investor. It is a two-stage process. First, a conditional green card is granted upon verification of source of funds and business plan for the project. And second, an unconditional green card is granted upon providing proof to USCIS of the deployment of funds in the project and creation of 10 American jobs per investor. The investor may invest in a project sponsored by USCIS-approved regional center, such as Golden Gate Global. This is more of a passive approach. Or an investor may start their own business, manage it, create 10 new American jobs, or buy an existing business and add 10 new American jobs to the business. The regional center model is more popular, as more than 98% applications are filed under the regional center model, whereas only 2% are filed in direct investments. The minimum investment required to qualify for an EB5 visa is $800,000 in specially designated areas known as targeted employment areas. The investment amount increases to $1,050,000 in areas outside the targeted employment areas. Targeted employment areas are designated by the federal government. EB5 visa has gained in popularity across the world, including in India, South Korea, Japan, Brazil, China, over the last decade. And the reason for its popularity are as follows. It is one of the fastest ways to achieve US permanent residence and citizenship. The green card is granted to investor, spouse, and unmarried children below the age of 21. And a lot of investors use it as a means to either themselves bypass the H-1B visa lottery, or if their children are studying in the United States, assist them in bypassing the H-1B visa lottery. It also takes away dependence on employer sponsorship. A lot of applicants who are based in the United States are motivated to file EB5 visa petitions because they have stuck in employment-based green card backlog for over a decade. Also, it is a federal program and it gives you the freedom to live and work anywhere in the United States. Additionally, it improves employability and leverage in salary negotiation for the entire family, as now the applicants can get employed by any employer, whether or not they sponsor an H-1B visa or an L-1 visa or an O-1 visa. Applicants or their children may also qualify for in-state college tuition, which is much lower than international student fees. Additionally, one of the biggest advantages that came out of the EB5 Reform and Integrity Act of 2022 is that applicants that are residing in the United States on a legal status can apply for EB5 visa and simultaneously adjust status, allowing them to live in the United States while their EB5 petition is pending. Additionally, they may also get an employment authorization document, which allows them to not only live, but also work and be employed gainfully in the United States while waiting for their green card. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos, please log on to www.3gfund.com.